This 2021 Keystone Montana 3791RD is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Raleigh, North Carolina 27610 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Raleigh. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 40 feet 0 inches in length and features a Bourbon, Cobblestone interior, sleeps 6, Slideout, and 66 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, rear entertainment, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.